How you doing, guys? Harley Loco back at you with another video. This video I'm going to be replacing the rear brake light switch, which you can see here, and obviously the new one. When operating the rear pedal, I'm getting the brake, you know, it's not lighting up. It lights up off the front one. If I bypass these two connections with a piece of wire, it lights up, so I know the wiring's fine, so it must be a problem with the switch. I have bled it, and I'm still getting the same issue, so we're going to swap it out, and that's what we're going to be doing now. So first of all, we're going to remove the connections. Like so. Oh, and by the way, I have got a strap on the pedal, so I'll minimise any air going back up the system with a bit of luck. Get the new one. Remember, guys, brake fluid is very corrosive, so be sure to clean up. So it's tightened, connections back on. Right then, guys, that's all on. We've unlocked the brake and turn the ignition on. There we go. Let's fix that. So that's how to change the rear brake light switch. Just check everything's nice and sealed and dry. So it is. Yep, well, that saved us bleeding the brake. Obviously, always check it when you go out for a spin. If you feel it's spongy and it needs bleeding, obviously back to the ramp and get it bled up. But yeah, at the moment, that's that done. So hopefully it helps some of you out. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll check back in with you soon.